Hi guys, and of course welcome to my channel where we discuss building a bridge between your business ideals and of course a successful business. On today's episode we are talking all about increasing your credit score, and y'all, I hope that this episode changes your mindset on really the use of a credit score and how you can increase it. So y'all, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay y'all, so the first thing is you have to change your mindset about a credit score, okay? Your credit score is to buy assets. It is to borrow other people's money to make use of money, okay? And when I say that, what I pretty much mean is by increasing your credit score, then you really can get more business loans, you can get rental properties, pretty much buying things that would, or acquiring things that would help you to increase your cash flow. And with that excess cash flow, that is when you can buy yourself consumer goods like Louis Vuitton bags, a nice car, a nice house, and things like that. So really focus on getting out of a consumer mindset and getting into a creator's mindset. You are now creating an income for yourself so that you can live the lifestyle that you deserve. Y'all, so now that we got your mindset together, let's get into step 2, okay? Step 2 is all about getting yourself a credit card, okay? You have to. A credit card produces 35% of your credit score. And so what that essentially means is that you need to go and do your research on the best credit card for you, because you need to get one today, okay? And so a good places that I personally do my research on is Investopedia.com, nerdwallet.com, and also bankrate.com. These are great places to learn more about finances in general, whether it is acquiring assets and some technical jargon, especially Investopedia. That's actually my favorite. Whether it's opening up a new bank account, it's a great place to really find more information about finances. All three of them are, so I'll definitely leave them in the description box so you guys can check that out. Tip 3, y'all, is so near and dear to my heart, because out of all of the years of building my credit, child, listen, I made this one mistake, and it messed up my credit, y'all. My credit score went down real quick, real fast, and in a hurry. And so tip 3 is to do not close your credit cards, okay? Pretty much what this does is it reduces your credit card payments, and your credit card payment history is 10% of your credit score. So it really just depends on how long you've been building your credit, but it can essentially drop by 10%. Also, if you're doing it too frequently, then that pretty much shows a red flag for your account, and creditors will start lending you a lot less money, so it will reduce your line of credit. Hey y'all, so I'm just here to remind you guys to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, and comment down below some things that I forgot to mention about increasing your credit score, y'all. And don't forget, y'all, get your 2 free stocks, y'all, from Webull using my affiliate link down below, y'all. Pretty much once you deposit $100, then you get the 2 free stocks. So keep that in mind. And this offer does end January 15th of 2021. So y'all gotta be quick if y'all want these free stocks. Anyways, guys, I hope that you're enjoying this content, and let's get straight back to the video. Tip 4 is to pay off any high interest debt, okay? And this is really important because number 1, when you're paying off that high interest debt, if you're not paying it off, then it's still acquiring interest every single month, or depending on the type of debt it is. And so you just want to be mindful, because then you're paying a lot more money when you can just knock it out the park. Number 2 is it really does help to build your credit. Depending on how large that debt is, just knocking it out, doing on-time payments and things like that really does show that you are willing to pay, and it will boost up your credit score. Tip 5 is do not open too much credit cards, y'all, or lines of credit, okay? And so pretty much this decreases your credit score in 2 ways. Number 1, it decreases your credit score because as the creditor makes an inquiry on your account, it decreases it. So, an inquiry is just essentially when they're just checking your credit score. They're just checking to see if all the information that you said is accurate. The second way that it decreases it is once the account is approved and it is opened. So yeah, just keep all that stuff in mind. Also, keep in mind that having too many credit cards or line of credit, you may just start forgetting to pay certain bills, which will then decrease your credit. The sixth tip is to try to keep your credit card usage under 30% of your line of credit that you use. So, for example, let's say that your line of credit for that credit card is $3,000. 30% of $3,000 is $900. So you want to attempt to keep it lower than $900. And the reason being is because once you start going over that 30%, it does start to decrease your credit. Thank you to everyone who went ahead and gave this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you to everyone who went ahead and went in the description box and got themselves some free stocks through Webull. And thank you to everyone who went ahead and subscribed and commented down below some of their credit card hacks to increase your credit score. So y'all, thank you so much for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you all soon. Bye!